Hello everyone, welcome to another Cloudwarts session. If you haven't already subscribed, then make sure you do. Now, before I go any further, let's see why most people just can't seem to quit smoking despite the efforts to do so. Have you ever noticed the situations that urge you to smoke cigarettes? If you have tried to notice, you will have realized that 90% of the time you smoke not just because of the nicotine addiction, it's probably because of the following reasons. Reason 1. You're stressed out. For example, having a bad day at work. Reason 2. You want to calm down. Example, after having a fight with someone. Reason 3. You're anxious about something or someone or even about an upcoming event. Maybe when waiting for your exam results or something like that. Reason 4. Smoking at certain time. Example, just after you eat. Reason 5. To control emotional disturbance or when you face a sudden emotional change. You will find more information about this in some of the other videos on this channel. Reason 6. You smoke hoping to feel better. It's clear from the previous examples that most people fail to quit smoking because of psychological reasons. People got used to smoking at certain times, like for example when feeling stressed or when they find themselves feeling bad. 90% of the time, people smoke in order to get a relief because they don't like their current emotional state or because they want to escape from their emotional or reality. If you are serious about quitting, then you must put this in mind so that you target the real cause behind your addiction to smoking. Contrary to common beliefs, nicotine addiction is not the major factor that prevents people from quitting smoking. Emotional and psychological factors play a big role in smoking addiction, and while nicotine addiction can affect someone's ability to quit smoking, still, emotional factors are far more important. Whether you want to quit smoking cigarettes or weed, the action plan will be the same. The first step is finding the real psychological cause behind your addiction, as they are the ones that are preventing you from quitting. Once you find that reason, you must deal with it instead of focusing on self-regulation. Example, if you smoke when you become stressed, then you need to learn how to deal with it. Running away and resisting change isn't going to help you anywhere. Change is fragile, but you need to man up and show how strong you are. That's the fastest and best way to quit smoking or any other bad habit. If you tried to quit smoking before, you probably tried many different methods and still ended up unsuccessful. The main reason people fail to quit smoking or any other bad habit is because you're probably solving a problem with the wrong formula. Many people manage to quit smoking successfully as a result of understanding themselves well and knowing the best approach they should use to quit instead of following generic advice. Below are some guidelines that can help you much in getting rid of your smoking problem. Finding the right method that suits you will not only increase your chance of quitting, it's probably the only way to successfully quit the habit. The following pointers will definitely make it easier for you to quit not just smoking but any other bad habit that might be plaguing you. Pointer 1. Negative motivation. Search the web for images that show you exactly how the lung of a smoker looks like. Print the photo and put it everywhere at your home. This will certainly motivate you to quit smoking if you are the kind of person who cares about health. Pointer 2. More motivation. Make a list of all smoking health effects and print it. Then put it beside your computer, beside your favorite chair, and above your bed. Pointer 3. Decide to quit on a tough day. Contrary to common beliefs, deciding to quit smoking on a good day is, well, it's a start. You should instead pick one tough, long day and start on it. When you are happy and when you have nothing to worry about, your willpower will be at its peak, but when something goes wrong, your willpower may not be at its best. This is exactly why lots of people who successfully quit smoking on a good day return back to smoking on another bad day. If you manage to quit smoking while you are feeling bad and when your willpower is low, then you will find no problem on other days. Pointer 4. Breaking anchors. Smoking is probably anchored to something else in your mind, like certain places or certain times. If you want to quit smoking, or any bad habit for that matter, you should try to smoke at different situations in different places instead of your usual ones. For example, if you are used to smoke just after lunch, then never do that, and instead smoke at any other time. By doing this, you will break the pattern between smoking any other external stimulants that remind you of your desire to smoke. Pointer 5. Create a new anchor. Create a new anchor that is really awful and associated with smoking. There was once a manager of a company who wanted his employees to quit smoking at work, so he moved the smoking area in the center of the office. The smoking area was made of a glass wall, and people can clearly see them. A few weeks later, lots of people managed to quit smoking within company premise. The good news is that you can do this too. Make sure to only smoke at the worst place ever. Only smoke when you feel down. Never smoke while you are happy or while you're having good company. Pointer 6. You don't have to quit at the first attempt. Know that some people quit on the first try, some on the 5th, and some even on the 10th. So don't give up trying. Sooner or later, you will make it. Pointer 7. Self-discipline. Developing self-discipline is another thing that may help you quit, not just smoking, but any bad habit that might be potentially plaguing you. Self-discipline can help you resist the emotions that force you to smoke and is a must if you are serious about quitting smoking. Pointer 8. Hypnosis. If all of the previous methods fail, as a last resort, can use hypnosis to quit smoking. Hypnosis is one of the most powerful methods for quitting smoking. Many people stop smoking after the first hypnosis session and never return back again. Refer to my channel for more information about this. Other than the well-known bad habits, we all know there are other ones that can hardly be noticed and that are just as dangerous as the ones we know about. Waking up late, wasting time, losing our temper, and even failing to get over someone are examples of bad habits that skip unnoticed. These bad habits are really dangerous because people rarely talk about them, and this allows them to persist and ruin your life. Make sure you educate yourself about such bad habits so that you live a happy life. I strongly recommend you watch a few other videos on this channel to get a better understanding of the subject.
Cloudwarts is not a complicated medical website nor a boring online encyclopedia. It's a place where you will find simple, to the point, and effective information that is backed by psychology and presented in a simple way that you can understand and apply.
If you have any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please consider supporting us on Patreon. Link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe.